Well, all right, boys. Today we're going to keep tearing down on the motor, get a little more done. Hopefully see if we can get all the rods and pistons out of it, get the crank pulled out, and see how everything looks. Alrighty, boys. Well, we knocked the pan off of her, and well, to say the least, she had a pile of goo sitting on the pickup, so that's always good. But yep, a good bit of sludge sitting in the pan. We're gonna clean her out and see what we can find in there. Maybe, hopefully, no bits. But flip it over and get a look at all this stuff in here too. Well, we went ahead, got the pan pulled off, all the water and oil out of her, and everything seems to be pretty good. Nothing hot or bent, broken, damaged anywhere. No metal shavings of any sort that we can tell. There was some soup on the pickup for sure, but no oil or no metal anywhere. So that's good news. So yeah, good news from here, hopefully. Well, got the first cap pulled off, cylinder number 1, and not good, boys. Looks like the bearing was spinning inside the cap. You all know what that means. No bueno from here. We'll go ahead and pop this bearing off real quick. Well, surprisingly, the inside of the bearing doesn't look too bad, and the crank surface looks pretty good. It doesn't look hot or marred real bad at all. So that's good news. So yeah, we'll keep tearing her down, get everything out of her, and see how she looks. boys. Well, we got her all apart. We've got all the pistons and rods out in here. Got the crank out here. Heads are sitting over here. Got all the main caps out. And the block is torn all the way down to nothing. So, yep, from here we'll be doing some more cleaning, prepping on the block and the materials, and see what we need to get ordered, get on the way to get her back together and freshened up, and we'll go from there. But that's probably all for today. This is where we're going to leave off. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like the videos, tell me what you think.